Hi everyone, this is Kibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad gawa natin the reaction video ang Kim Pao compilation. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out what Kim Pao has to offer.
Gosh, sana maulit muli. May first teleserye.
Ay.
Alam naman siguro ng karamihan, hindi talaga ako marunong kumanta, sumayaw. Yung boses ko sobrang nipis, hindi ko maintindihan. Tsaka Bisaya ako. Oh my gosh.
Bisaya ako, yes.
Tagalog, pero Pinoy ko talaga.
Bongga? Bongga naman si Kim doon. Ay, hello. Ay, ano to? Saan si Kimi? Bago to? O ito yung naka-gown siya? Asa si Kim? Ay, bago! Ganda ni Kim! Bago!
So yun yung
Ay, ito.
Big Brother ng mga gabing bago to natapos. Punk na yung ginawa natin, hindi ba yun okay? Yes, time ngayon ang dami, mga bayaran pala sila para yurakin talaga yung pagkatao
Yurakin.
mo.
You
Tama
like
ang
it.
sabi nila, time really flies when you are having fun. And with the fun I've had and I'm having, hindi ko talaga akalain na 2 dekada na pala ang lumipas sa aking career. Oh my gosh! Kaya naman, my name is Kim Chu and I'm inviting you to a throwback of my adventures in my 20 years as an artist. Let's go!
Okay. Okay, what's next? Ay, hello. Ayaw ni Paulo niyan. Ay, ang dami. Ang dami si Kim Chu. Bago to? Si Kim Chu ang babaeng hindi napapagod, no? Sa totoo lang, hindi talaga siya napapagod. Parang walang kapaguran si Kim. Si Mr. Ah! Oh my God, matapang! Matapang talaga siya.
Sabi ka, yay!
Ano to? Ay, hello. Okay, hug-hug sila. Gwapo ni BMC. Hala, namimiss ko na sila. Ah,
Kimberly Liwanag,
pero grabe mungto ang mata ni Kim dyan, no?
will you be my wife?
Mungto talaga ang mata ni Kim dyan.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Ay. Yes daw. Parang yun din yung sagot ni Paulo na yes. Yung ganun. Ang tagal nitong pimple ko. Hindi ko rin siya na, bakit ang tagal nito bago makuha? Nagigigil ako. Mag-iilang buwan na yan, ha? Totoo lang. Yes, sabi ni Kim.
Happy birthday to you.
Ay,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
ay. Kim, alam ba ni Kim? Hello. Alam ba, Kim, ni Paulo ang pinanggagawa mo sa buhay? Chares!
Sometimes you just need to pause and enjoy life.
Hmm.
No pressure, no rush. Just breathe, smile, and be thankful. You're doing your best, and that's enough.
Si Kim kaya, nagsastop pa kaya siya? Curious lang ako, humihinto pa ba si Kim? Kasi ako kahapon, nag-stop ako, di ba? Hindi ako gumawa ng reaction video. Naparealize ako, ganito pala yung nagpapahingan mo. Sa totoo lang. Parang first time kong, ito pala yung feeling na nagpapahinga. Ito pala yung feeling na masarap magpahinga. Hindi po wala kang iniisip na kahit ano. Kundi nagpapahinga ka lang. You know what I mean? Tama ba yun? Okay. Ganda talaga ni Kim. Kim Chu never disappoints talaga. I can't ever walk no one. Si Bessie Darren. Kasama si Bessie Darren yun for today's video. Hello. Uy, malapit na yung prom. Excited naman lahat. Siyempre, magkadito naman yan si Paulo tsaka si Kim Chu, di ba? Of course. Magkadito naman yan sila for today's video. Saan dalahin? Di ba?
But I just turn my head away, your face against the tree.
Cutie Kim.
But I just see
Grabe din yung evolution ng karera ni Kim, no? Oo na, nag-date na kayo. Ay! May project sila ni Coco?
You finished it?
Ay! Bakit English?
I did, Isabel.
I did
From
Isabel.
now on, this will be our meeting place.
Ay, meeting place. Saan
This is
dalahin?
where we'll build all our dreams.
Saan dalahin ang kanilang meeting
Never
place?
separate us.
Bakit naman ganyan yung meeting place, Kubo? It reminds me of something, Chares! Chares! It really reminds me of something sa mga ganyang kubo-kubo for today's video.
And in here, this is our bed. And this is where we'll sleep with the kids. In here, this is where you cook all your delicious dishes. And
Ay.
that garden, that's where we'll plant different vegetables and breed different farm animals.
Ay, okay. Taray! Sino yun? Binoise over pala siya. Okay, that is our for today's video. This is Kiko Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Binoise over naman pala siya for today's video.